Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a silhouette on CapCut PC. Just be using this, and I'm just going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout on the picture. I'm also going to make the planet a little bit bigger so you can see the silhouette when it's done. Select the person, go to adjustments, turn down the saturation, turn down brightness, contrast up, highlights down, shadows down, whites down, blacks down. And that is pretty much it, really. If you want it to be more dark, you can do it again by creating compound clip, but I think this one's already like super dark, so I'm just going to leave it like this. And here, as you can see, you have created a silhouette on CapCut PC. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!